All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you can tell we're going to be talking about Cardano itself. Man, the Cardano community's, you know, support is just through the roof. And that's just not just recently, it's been like that from the get-go. The OGs remember, especially if you've stuck with me since day one. Appreciate you guys, of course, as always. But I love your guys' support. So continue supporting like that, guys. See, this is what you guys need to be doing. What I've been asking you guys to do, you guys have been, delivering big time, and continue doing so. And you will continue to see these updates, even though it's really late here. Depending on where you are right now in North America. But that does not stop me from giving you guys these updates that you guys enjoy. But looking at the overall markets right now, guys, what's happening? We're seeing just handful of coins that are up right now, but mainly majority of the coins are seeing a little bit of a minor pullback because Bitcoin did see a little bit of a minor retracement as we did start off the week. But I'm still optimistic that we still have a few days left till the month close, and I still think there's a chance that Bitcoin does push above 70. But we're going to take it one step at a time. I could be wrong, but as far as Cardano is concerned, we're down about 1% on the daily time frame. Price currently sitting at 45.4 cents. We're up 1% in Bitcoin comparative, so we will definitely take that. And the reason why that's the case is because Bitcoin dominance has gone down, and if you focus on increasing your satoshis at the end of the day, well, there you are. It's great. But if you're looking at the market cap, $16.1 billion in the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 360 million. So not much has changed, to be quite frank with you, as far as the price is concerned. But we're going to talk about some other things, of course, and we will kind of highlight the price briefly. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So today I want to talk about something, one of the biggest things we hear, right? Whenever people talk about the word Cardano, that comes into the conversation, a lot of people just completely come and start flooding the project itself. And shout out to Bullish Alex, said something very, very knowledgeable and interesting, and I totally agree with that. And we're going to kind of go and dissect it together. I'm going to share my personal take on it as well. So you can see, Bullish Alex says Cardano is a ghost chain, no one builds on it, and that's the conversation a lot of people tend to have in the crypto space. That's what Bullish Alex is saying. I'm so late, guys. Bear with me. And it says, I love the banter as much as anyone, but let's be honest, at this point, facts are facts. Cardano is going absolutely nowhere. In fact, it's only getting stronger. Change upgrade coming Q3 will allow much higher, TPS, better interoperability with other blockchains, and much more powerful smart contracts. Decentralized governance and self-sustainability through volatile will increase security and stability. Not to mention adaptability to new and emerging market needs. If you build it, they will come. So you can pretty much see this for yourself. I totally agree. If you are looking at developments going on Cardano, there is a lot of interest. And, basically what we tend to hear is it's a ghost chain. No one really is paying attention to it. And that's totally wrong. What's happening in this specific time we're in right now is, a lot of new kids on the block. What I mean by a lot of new kids on the block is a lot of competitors, a lot of competitors to ADA, other layer ones that are picking up traction right now, meme coins, and just the cycle we're in right now. It's a very, very interesting one. And, obviously the smaller cap coins, layer ones that are coming up new, don't even have, smart contracts that have launched, but, people are willing to, compare to ADA. And the fact that what's really interesting is all these new coins, people always compare it to the likes of Solana, Cardano, and Ethereum. And that's where the hype factor lies right now. But believe it or not, there is a lot going on Cardano right now that a lot of people are completely ignoring. A lot of misinformation. And even Altcoin Daily said that the amount of misinformation that people are spreading right now about ADA is at its all-time high. And some people are taking that as a great sign to be dollar cost averaging in, especially the ADA whales that believe in the long-term vision, not just this bull cycle, because I believe this bull cycle is coming to an end in the next 7 to 8 months, give or take. Could this cycle be longer because of the ETFs? Possibly. I don't think we're going to see those sharp drops for Bitcoin anymore, but as far as the bullish momentum is concerned, I think we're only about 7 to 8 months left till this market comes to a top. But we're gonna obviously see what happens. But I'm giving myself that time, and I did have a huge cash out as well. Obviously, if you are huge supporter of mine, I did tell you guys that in sometime in April. So I already started locking in profits certain coins that have gone quite a bit up. So that's what I want you guys to understand. But let's take a look at what's happening with the dominance index. So dominance index is continuing to fall down. A great sign for altcoins as always. BTC on the other hand, as you can see, like I said, it did start off on a negative note, but in my opinion, nothing to worry about. We need to take a look at the bigger picture, especially from May 1st. We've been in this crazy upwards trajectory for BTC. A lot of obviously longs need to get shaken out. A lot of shorts need to get shaken out, and that's part of the game. That's part of what whales are here for, market makers. And manipulation usually does tend to happen a lot in the crypto space, as we know. So just a little bit of a shakeout happening in my opinion, for these leverage traders, and I think they deserve that. They completely deserve that. And if you are a follower on my channel, just stay away from leverage trading. Every time you hear anyone speak about leverage trading, remember what Crypto ZX said. I care about each and every one of you guys. I don't want you guys leverage trading. I've lost thousands and thousands of dollars since I started, and I've learned that leverage trading is a scam at the end of the day. 99% of the time you will end up losing money, so stay away from that completely. It's better off just buying spot rather than messing around with the leverage trading. See, I'm kind of running out of words right now because I am tired. But anyhows, let's take a look at what's happening with ADA. So as far as ADA is concerned, like I said, not much happened. As I have said earlier in the video, we're still bouncing back and forth. We're still bouncing back and forth around here, being supported by obviously some key support levels. But obviously, if we're able to break out, we do need more buying pressure. There's no question about that, and there's no denying that we need a little bit more buying pressure to really get the ball rolling. Obviously, some significant resistance coming out at 51.8 cents. I think that's where the excitement kicks in once we cross that, because we did get there on the 25th of April. We got close to it just a few days back, but we never actually managed to go above that. If we're able to break out of that key resistance, like I said earlier to you guys before, 58 cents is that next, 58 to 59 cents is the next target that we would be aiming for. So one step at a time. Do let me know down below what you guys personally think. Where do you see ADA ranking in the next 5 years? That's what time I want you guys to give yourself. Next 5 years, do you think ADA is going to be one of the top blockchains or no? That's the conversation I want to have with you guys today. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for your support. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.